hey, in the shop with me today, I got my good friend Jorgen Moller from RaceDeck. How you doing, Jorgen?
Great. I'm so glad to be back.
I'm glad to have you back, man.
Yeah.
And hey, what do you think? How's the floor look?
It's looking great. It actually almost looks better than when I left it last time.
Well, you know what? It's truly amazing how this stuff cleans back up. I don't even have to work that hard. A little Windex, and you see, I've still got the red accents. I had blue originally, but I swapped them out.
a couple years ago.
Well, and you guys have so many options for that. I mean, all the different colors.
Yeah, over 18 different colors.
And different styles. So I got the diamond plate, but you got the circle track.
Yep.
You got the free flow.
We do.
And again, tons of different styles and colors. I could, change with my mood.
You can mix
change
and
with my
match.
cars. You can mix and match. You can really design anything you want.
For sure. You can create, it's pretty much limitless between combining all of different colors, styles, and a different size.
Right, because these are 12s, but you guys make an XL,
An XL,
which is an 18,
which is the largest on the market.
And they mix and match, 12 and 18. It's all multiples and stuff, and it all goes together, and you can do anything you want.
It's all engineered to work together.
And it goes together so easily. I mean, we did this thing literally in a couple hours. One might say it was a snap.
It's a snap. Yep, that's right. That's why you see it in so many garages. It's the best solution for the homeowner.
If you really want to get fancy and customized, you guys can do logos like
can.
this one.
Yeah.
So put this together.
I'll show. Yeah.
Show
so here we go. So we have a patented loop and lock system, and it just interlocks and just need a little authority.
A little bit of authority.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, with a snap.
Yes,
so.
it truly was a snap.
Yep.
And this is an example of the logos you guys do. And this is not a decal or it's not on the surface. It's actually in.
It is. We have over 26 different patents within our product line, and this is called our Tuff Shield process, which is not a paint, not a decal. This is molded into our modular flooring system. So you can do any kind of custom logo, big or small. Really, the level of detail that we can do is unmatched.
Well, and this really is high detail. This is actually a hand-painted logo that you then mold in.
It is.
I mean, you guys really kind of pioneered this whole modular flooring approach to converting your garage. And it's a lot more than just a square piece of plastic.
There's over 26 patents within our product line.
Wow.
As simple as the tread plate top that you see here, this is all engineered so dirt doesn't get trapped. It's radius so that you can come through, it flows freely. Clean.
Doesn't stand up too high. It
doesn't stand up. You can roll your tool, your creeper, the tools don't go flying off the shop. If you look underneath, this is where the magic is. So this is our superstructure. And this here will handle rolling loads in excess of 80,000 pounds. It's channeled because all garage floors release moisture.
Yes.
It's a tough climate, so the floor breathes. And then you look at our power lock system. This is a patented interlocking system, positive locking, and it actually engages into the superstructure.
Yep.
So once you lock the floor together, it's all one system. It's not a loop and lock that just hangs off that your tires can snap or break.
It is one with the tile.
It is one with the
With
tile.
the tile. So again, not all are like that. In fact, that's one that's not like it.
Yeah, so this is one of the recent competitors. If you look here, very difficult to keep clean.
Right.
Dirt gets trapped, and you can imagine if you had an 800 square foot garage, you're on your hands and knees trying to get in with a little toothbrush in between there. Under here, you'll see, if you look at the loops, you can see how they just flex.
Oh, man,
I actually just broke that one.
That one's already broken, yeah.
Yep, and you can see, so there's really no strength, and you can imagine a heavy vehicle turning. The expansion and contraction in the garage, that's a big part of the flooring system that doesn't buckle or roll, turn with your car. And then this floor won't allow the floor to breathe. So
it just traps everything.
Traps everything.
Got a science fair project going on.
So there's a
there,
lot
right?
that goes on when you compare the two. You look at the two, you can see there's a substantial difference. And these are typically odd size. They don't fit in.
I mean, this is 12 inches, 12 and 18 inches. This is, I don't know, 13 and a half.
You couldn't do it 20 by 20 with this product without cutting in odd shapes. Your design will look odd. This is, everything here is either 12 inch or 18 inch. Very easy to figure out how to do your home garage.
It's an awesome product. I love it. I just think it's amazing. And it goes together
in a snap.
In a snap, man.
That's right.
So, hey, if you want to learn anything more about these great RaceDeck modular garage floorings, log on to racedeck.com. My classic car.
That's right. We need to get you one of those.
Yeah, I've got to get one of those.